Under federal law, the law offices of Sears and Associates is a debt relief agency that offers you a free consultation to analyze your particular financial situation. For example, you may have a house, the value of the house is less than the balance of the first mortgage, and you also happen to have a line of credit and the credit card debt. Such situation could be resolved through Chapter 13 bankruptcy, where you will be able to get rid of the second mortgage and the credit card debt, qualify for a small repayment plan over the period of 3 years, and you'll be debt-free and at the same time keep your house and get rid of the second mortgage and the credit card debt. Scenario number 2, your wages are being garnished and you just don't have enough money to keep up with your credit card bills. Well, you may qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, where you will stop the garnishment, get rid of your debt, and you will be able to resume your life with a fresh start. Scenario number 3, you have IRS debt, and you're just making small payments to IRS, and penalty and interest keep accruing, and you will never get out of this debt. Through Chapter 13, you may be able to repay your debt in full through the Chapter 13 plan over the period of 3 years. There are many different scenarios. Each one needs an individual analysis, and that's why we're there. You just have to make sure that your particular situation is analyzed by the experienced attorney and that you have all the answers to all your financial questions.